GBM Resources is an Australian miner and mineral explorer currently focused on the discovery of world-class gold and copper deposits at its wholly owned flagship projects, which are in the Queensland-domiciled Drummond Basin. GBM Resources also wholly owns the cash-generating White Dam gold copper project in South Australia. Ahead of appearing at Peak's Sky High Luncheon is Managing Director and CEO Peter Rohner. Peter, welcome to the Stock Network.
Yeah, thanks, Lil. Thanks for the invitation and look forward to giving people a bit of an update.
Wonderful. Now, Peter, can you please provide an update on exploration activities at your flagship project in Queensland's Drummond Basin?
Yeah, look, we've had a bit of a quiet period the last 12 months, just consolidating the massive data set we acquired when we sort of got the Twin Hills projects and the Yandan projects. Obviously, the market's been a bit difficult, so we've been leveraging our partner-funded exploration with Newmont on the eastern part of our tenement package at Mount Coolin. They've spent over $7 million in the last 12 months getting ready to drill some targets there shortly. We've been reprocessing a lot of geophysical data around Twin Hills and really getting ready to work up the sort of drill targets around the 309 resource and the Lone Sister resource in the second half of this year.
Okay, and can you outline the key components of what's so-called the Drummond Basin processing halo strategy?
Yeah, look, when we first got involved in GBM and the Drummond Basin projects, we only had the Mount Coolin sort of tenement package on the east. We then acquired Yandan on the other side of the basin to the west, and the Twin Hills projects in 2020 and 2021. That's sort of given us a large district scale tenement package that obviously will benefit from a single processing hub somewhere in the district. Our initial thoughts were at Yandan, where the old Ross mining facilities were, but with the size of the resources at 309 and Lone Sister in the southern end of the basin, I suspect the hub will be closer to those resources than further north.
Okay, and finally, GBM Resources has continued to progress its plans to rejig really its asset portfolio and existing funding arrangements. Can you describe to me how you think your project book will look like around 12 months from now?
Yeah, look, we've said for a while now that we really want to just focus on the Drummond Basin. We've got a couple of million ounces almost in resources. We've been upgrading the quality of those resources, improving the measured and indicated categories. We will start a scoping study sometime probably in late 24 or early 25. The difficulty's been just assessing where the processing hub should be with the I suppose extra resources we've found at Twin Hills. So the focus will be divesting the other non-core assets of Cloncurry, Mount Morgan and White Dam. We've already divested about $9.5 million worth of assets in the last sort of 2 years, and we'll continue to do that to allow us to focus solely on the Drummond Basin.
Excellent. Well, it sounds like a busy period for you, and really appreciate the update to GBM Resources.
No, thanks for the invitation again, and look forward to talking at the Peak conference in a few weeks' time.